So what exactly is dropshipping and how does it work? In this video now, I want to talk with you about the dropship model. So basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to explain to you what dropshipping is, how it works, and how you can make money by selling products online. So what we want to do here in this course and in the next chapter is look at Amazon.com and afterwards at AliExpress. Now, these two platforms are platforms where you can buy a product. So AliExpress, for instance, is a platform that sits in China, and Amazon is basically a platform from the United States, but it's kind of global. So these two platforms are platforms where you can buy products, and you just simply have to think about the price differences. So for instance, a product that is being sold in China is much more cheap than a product being sold in the United States. Now, what we want to do is you want to look at two platforms. We want to look at how to basically buy products on these platforms, sell them via Facebook Marketplace, and make a profit. So the basic concept is always that we buy something for a little amount of money and then we sell it for more. But how exactly does now dropshipping work? Now, first of all, imagine there is a customer. And that customer wants to buy something in your online store. So we created an online store, or for instance on Facebook Marketplace, we created an offer and people want to buy our product. We listed our product for $200, and now what we do in our store, in this case on the Facebook Marketplace, what we do is we don't even have the product yet. As soon as the order comes in, we buy the product that the customer wants from a so-called supplier. So we look for a supplier that sells the same product for less than $200. And in this example now, we have someone, or the supplier basically, that sells the product for $150. So the customer buys from us for $200, we buy from a supplier for $150, and we send that product that we bought from the supplier directly to the customer, and then we can keep a $50 profit. Now, the great thing about this is you never even have to touch the product. So the customer buys from your online store. Before that, you already know, okay, I can buy this product from a supplier, and then the customer buys for a higher price and you buy it from a supplier for a lower price and you send it to the customer directly via the supplier and you can keep the profit. Now, you can do this with literally any product in the world, whether it's you selling cars, whether it's you selling clothes, whether it's you selling, water bottles. It doesn't really matter. As soon as the customer places an order, you say to the supplier, okay, I want to have that product, send it to person XY. In this case now, the customer. And the money that is basically the profit margin is the money that you make. So the customer buys for $200, you buy for $150, send it to the customers, you keep a $50 profit. This is how dropshipping works. And to be honest, I think the dropshipping model is one of the best models that the internet ever came up with. Now, of course, was there dropshipping before? Yes, of course, there was dropshipping, but it had only become massive in the last couple of years. Now, do I think you can become a millionaire with dropshipping? Yes, I know people personally that make millions of dollars every single year via dropshipping. And to be honest, I live in Germany. In dropshipping is in Germany not that big yet, but we already have I think even hundreds of millionaires via dropshipping. When you look at the US, there are people who make tens, maybe hundreds of millions of dollars via this system. So what is my recommendation for you? You definitely have to get into dropshipping with Facebook Marketplace. Why? Because right now on platforms such as Amazon, there's a lot of competition. Many people that you can see on Amazon or eBay are actually people that don't own these products that they're selling. They're so-called dropshippers. Now imagine there is now a new platform that works kind of, or quite exactly like Amazon or eBay. Well, there is Facebook Marketplace. So what I want to teach you now in this chapter and the next one is how you can use Amazon and or AliExpress in order to build a dropshipping funnel, a dropshipping business on Facebook Marketplace. We're going to use certain tools such as Oberlo or Honey. These are both different kind of Chrome extensions that will help you to identify amazing products. I'll show you which products to buy, which products to sell, and you will definitely learn a lot about dropshipping. So after these two chapters, you will have your own dropshipping store and you will know exactly how to import products from different places in the world in order to sell them via the Facebook Marketplace. Alright, that was it now for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next one.